At some point in time on a fixture table, you're gonna need to push something from the side, and I'm gonna show you 7 ways to do it. First option is to take the 90 gooseneck clamp, and we're gonna separate it into 2 pieces, and only use this part. This is the most easiest way to side push. Goes in the hole, and as you can see, we can push from the side. That's option number 1. Option number 2 is to use this sidewinder clamp. This one's pretty straightforward too. Goes into the hole and clamp away. And there's 2 options, a high and a low. Third option is the twin pin plier because it has 2 options for the rod. So we can clamp it vertically, and it just goes in the hole like this, and you can pull back. Next option is to use the standard quick clamp. This generally only works by pushing down, but what we can do is mount it to a riser, making it so you can clamp from the side. Fifth option is to use the low profile push clamp. This is pretty cool because it goes into the pin and it's got a cam that advances this push block forward a little bit. And it works really well with a tooth block, because they just go together just like this. And now I have a lot of range of adjustment, and I can come right up next to that, lock this down with the pin, and then use the cam to push. This is a great option if you're pulling parts in and out really quickly. Release, pull the part out, put new part in, cam it forward, and you're done. The next thing we're gonna use is this tooth block. Okay, I'm gonna wedge it, I'm gonna tighten it, and there you go. You can see how we're nice and tight using the cam method. If I'm really worried about this moving, I can add another clamp over to the back and prevent it from rotating that way too. Last but not least is this new clamp. It's not even out yet, but I'm gonna share it with you anyway. We don't even have a name for it yet. Twin screw, double dragon, I don't know, something cool. And the idea is to keep the price low. That's why it looks like this. But the cool thing about it is it pushes from the side and the top. And it has all these adjustments that you can move the screw to hit wherever you're after. So this can also be coupled with the riser. And because we have a little bit of wiggle room here, we can clamp from the side and we can clamp down. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I love all these little tips and tricks. This is why I think the Fireball table system is the best, because it's so versatile with all its little clamps and all its little features. So thank you guys for watching this little tips video, and I'll see you on the next one.